Rana, good morning. Welcome to Paradise here for the Tahiti Pro Teahupo'o, stop number 7 on the World Surf League Championship Tour.
Just coming here and experiencing the beauty of this environment and being out in the water here is incredible.
Jordy trying to avoid his 4th round 3 knockout this season. February, there's that clean hack. February, a big victory in round 3, knocking out world number 5, Jordy Smith.
So I really want to just do good out here and prove to myself that, I belong and, put it all together.
Zeke's gonna roam under priority. Grabs that rail, tight section to pull in, but he's going the distance.
Wow, Wade Carmichael blasting the back out of that wave twice. We've got Owen Wright versus Joel Parkinson, pulling up high and tight, in and out of the tube directly in front of Owen Wright. We go, an aquarium-looking wave here, a nice in and out barrel, untouched for Owen Wright. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the last time you will see Joel Parkinson in a Tahiti Pro Teahupo'o jersey.
And here's Toledo. Big windup for a big hack. Finally getting the completion he's been hoping for.
I'm just happy to make my heat and really, really excited for the next round.
Look at that.
Oh, that's so sick. Well, first of all, to make that wave was a feat, but
that was the first part of it.
Exactly, and then that turn, that was amazing stuff from Gabriel Medina.
You can see a wave coming now, so we'll see if Kolohe decides to go for this one.
Kolohe Andino straight into that 3-point stance. Nicely done through the tube.
The best seat, obviously, in the house, being this close to everything, and just seeing the intensity on their faces.
This one's starting to grow out in front on this little West Bowl section. Now disappears completely. Wave spits. Comes out right after it. Layback hack to follow. Connor right into the pit on the takeoff. Completely gone. Makes it out into a big layback power gap off the top.
Where did this come from?
Jeremy Flores finding the gem.
We are in heat 12 of this round, the last heat of round number 3, and we will be going into round 4.
Now watching February. Big pump, hollow section. Mikey gets blown out. Toledo, big hack to start. Here comes Owen Wright. Big fin throw, and he'll recover.